Hello people, my name is Ferdy and in this video I want to talk about the rebranding of my YouTube channel called Ferdy Korpershoek. Korpershoek is my last name and I've been through a lot of places in the world, and for a lot of people it can be quite challenging to pronounce my last name, Korpershoek. So, in the beginning of the year, a friend of mine told me, Ferdy, have you ever considered to buy Ferdy.com? So I went to Hostinger, checked if Ferdy.com was still available, and it was available, so for $6 per year I could buy that. I'm kidding, it was not available, it was for sale, so I negotiated and I bought Ferdy.com. Why? I want it to be easy for people to search for me on the internet. People are searching for Ferdy Korpershoek and sometimes that can be a challenge. So with Ferdy.com I hope I made that easier. So in the latest months we have been working on a brand new website. I'm also working with a team that is turning my tutorials into blog posts because I want to spread my content through multiple ways. I will also be more active on social media like Instagram and TikTok. And when it comes to this YouTube channel, the name changed, Ferdy.com, but I will still make the same tutorials. The vision of Ferdy.com is the following: helping people to make a website that generates them money. It can be any website, a website for your business that will generate you more revenue through the clients you get. It can be about starting an online business, selling your own course, or starting with affiliate marketing, starting a social media platform, selling products through WooCommerce on your website. But there's one thing that will be added. I've done this for 9 years now. I still love the process, but 7 years ago I thought, what will I be doing in 10 years? So it's in 3 years. And one of my passions is I really like self-improvement, reading books, learning more about life, how we can be happy, how we can be healthy, how we can get the best out of life. I love to know more about that. And I also think when it comes to making a website, and of course I guess you want to be successful with that, then it's really important to know how to get the most of it. So what I will do, I will still make all the tutorials I'm already making on how to create a website, but through the tutorials I will talk a little bit more about self-improvement. How can you make a better website? How can you sell yourself? How can you be a better version of yourself? Because I've seen how my life has changed since I started reading books. So with Ferdy.com, I feel the liberty to, besides making tutorials about websites, also talk more about how to get more out of this life, because I think life is beautiful and there's a lot of things that we can do to improve our lives. But the main focus will be the same, making tutorials that can help you to make amazing websites that can generate you money. I want to thank you for being a subscriber. Without you, I could not have done this. So I do my best to keep providing you with free information. Talking about free information, I'm also going to sell a course in the future with a friend of mine. He has a web design agency. I teach people how to make websites. He has a web design agency. I've been terrible at being a web design agency. I had no clue what kind of prices should I ask for my clients. So I started to share my knowledge on the internet. But he is the king in running a web design agency. We will bundle our strengths and create a course and sell it on the internet on how to start to make websites and sell them to clients. And we're going to talk about pricing, how to deal with clients, what is within the scope, what is outside of the scope. I think it's going to be amazing. And when there's more information about that, I will let you know. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being a subscriber, and the best is yet to come.